Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to cover up one complete problem, that is full problem from the chapter change in profit sharing ratio. Ultimately, this problem came in a board paper 2016. Under this problem, like all related information required, that is opening revaluation account, partners capital account, as well as balance sheet, also calculation of sacrificing ratio and gaining ratio. At the same time, statement of goodwill also we have to do in this problem. So let's consider this problem. There are three partners, Nardev, Hardev, and Gagandev, and their profit sharing ratio, that is 2:1:3. The balance sheet position as on 31st March 2020 is as below. This is asset side figure, and this is the liability side figure. Under asset side, we can see land value 1 lakh, building value also 1 lakh, land value 2 lakh, stock 80,000, debtors 60,000, bank balance 10,000. Total of the asset side 5,50,000. The same way, creditors value 1 lakh, bills payable 40,000, general reserve 60,000, and internal liability, that is partners capital in H and G, Nardeep, Hardeep, and Gagandeep 2 lakh, 1 lakh, and 50,000. Now, more information are there, like on 1st April 2020, they want to change their profit sharing ratio, and that is 1:1:1 equally. And at the time of change in profit sharing ratio, there are the changes take places. Land and like land value revalued at rupees 1,60,000. So book value it was 1 lakh. Now it is goes up to 1,60,000. It does mean 60,000 value increases. Building value be depreciated by 6%. So like book value of building, it was 1 lakh, 6% and 6,000 value decreases. Creditors of rupees 12,000 were not likely to be claimed and to be written off. So a decrease of liability, no need to pay this 12,000 to creditors. So it is better for the concern that if the creditor would not like to receive the amount or would not like to claim, that time our liability ultimately will decreases. So we know it will come on the revaluation, and that is creditors to revaluation account. At the same time, total farm value of goodwill is coming 3 lakh. Now we have to prepare revaluation account, partners capital account, as well as revise balance sheet. So very simple way, like first way, like as a working, we can calculate that is sacrificing and gaining ratio. After that, we can like prepare revaluation account, partners capital account, as well as revise balance sheet also. So one by one, like this is the revaluation account. Already told, land value increases, so therefore land account debit to revaluation. That does mean increase of asset, we will put on the credit side 60,000. Whenever any asset value increase, we have to put on the credit side. Asset value decrease, then debit side. Creditors value decrease, so liability decreases on the credit side. Just opposite relation, we know how to prepare revaluation account. When asset increase, credit side. When asset decrease, debit side. When liability decrease, then credit side. Liability increase, then debit side. So creditors value, here it is one liability which is being decreased here by rupees 12,000. So we have to put on the credit side. So ultimately land value increase 60, liability decrease 12, altogether 72,000. One asset value decreases 6,000. So ultimately 72 minus 6, that is 66,000. Profit on revaluation. It is by nature, it is a nominal account. So if credit side is heavier than the debit side, that does call like profit on revaluation, and we have to transfer to the partners in their old profit sharing ratio. So there are three partners, and that is being distributed 2:1:3 ratio. Now they've got 22,000, or they've got 11,000, and they've got 33,000. This will goes to partners capital account. So next step, that is partners capital account. Before partners capital accounts, like one thing we should know, that is the working part, that is regarding the treatment of goodwill. So this working part, yeah, this is the working part. calculation of SR and GR. Old ratio, that is 2:1:3. So therefore, first partner 2/6, second partner 1/6, and third partner 3/6. And the new ratio coming 1:1:1, that is 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. The 2/6 minus 1/3, it is coming 0. So the first partner is sacrificing and gaining here become nil. It is as it is same. Old and new, no changes take places. In case of second partner, that is the old value and new value 1/6 minus 1/3. So old ratio minus new ratio, if it is coming negative, it is coming negative, therefore it is again. Ultimately here new ratio is greater than the old ratio. It is 1/3 and it is here 1/6. So 2/6 coming 1 minus 2/6, it is ultimately minus 1/6 gain. The second partner has gain here, and third partner 3/6 minus 1/3, that is coming 1/6, and old ratio in this case is it is greater than the new ratio. So therefore we can say that is sacrificing. So new partner third partner being sacrifice here 1/6, whereas second partner here gain 1/6, and we know that always sacrificing equals to gain. So how much sacrifice? 1/6. How much gain? That is also 1/6. Now very simple in case of treatment of goodwill, like total firm value of goodwill, it was that was 3 lakhs. So that is 3 lakh into 1/6. So 50,000 amount of entry you have to do. And it is simple that the journal entry always gaining to sacrificing. So who has gained here? The second partner, that is H. Hardeep gained here. So therefore Hardeep capital account debit to Gagandeep capital, gaining partner to sacrificing partner 50,000, 50,000. That will come on our partner's capital account for adjustment. Now we come to the partner's capital account. Here opening balance provided. First partner 2 lakh, second partner 1 lakh, third partner 50,000. Once we can look after that old balance sheet. Yes, here you can see 2 lakh, 1 lakh, 50,000. General ledger it was 60,000. So that we will have to distribute at the time of preparing partner's capital account. If any undistributed profit, general ledger profit and loss account credit balance, that you have to transfer on the credit side. Liability side item will goes to credit side on the partner's capital account if it is accumulated or undistributed. Similarly, asset side, if any figure that is undistributed losses is there, profit and loss account debit balance, advertisement suspense, that will come generally debit side of the partner's capital. That is a system, that is a cross transaction to close the account. It hold that is credit nature, so you have to put the debit. It hold debit nature, so for cancelling you have to make it a credit. That's the system for recording in accountancy. Now we'll come to the partner's capital account. So this is the partner's capital account. So therefore opening balance we got from old balance sheet 2 lakh, 1 lakh and 50,000. Reserve also we got from old balance sheet, that is 20,000, 10,000 and 30,000. So these two are from old balance sheet, and after that we got the revaluation account 22,000, 11,000 as well as 33,000, and this part it is related to treatment of goodwill, and we know the journal entry that is gaining partner to sacrificing partner. So here that is second partner has gained here. The gaining partner's capital account debit to sacrificing, H capital account debit to G's capital account, S capital account debit to G's. So contraposting by S capital amount goes to G's column. So that is for related to goodwill treatment, and in this chapter treatment of goodwill purposes always this entry is required, that is gaining partner to sacrificing partner. At the same time in admission as well as retirement also this type of treatment may be required. That is the same way when it is capital adjustment gaining to sacrificing. So after that we have to find out the present balances. Here to balance CD, here first partner came 2,42,000, second partner 71,000, and third partner 1,63,000. So this that is present balance which will goes to the revised balance sheet. There is a new balance sheet. So this is the new balance sheet after change in the profit sharing ratio. This three partner present balance 2,42,000, Hardeep 71,000, and third partner 1,63,000. Now after that these are all changing figures. Creditors it was decreased by 12,000 because 12,000 value decreased, no need to pay. So capital value 88,000, bills payable unchanged, general ledger become nil because already distributed to partners capital. So this side, the liability side total came 6,04,000. Exactly same way, land and building from the asset side increased by 60,000. Old value it was 1 lakh. Now we plus increase value 60. It is coming 1,60,000. Building value decrease. Old value it was 1,06,000 decrease. So therefore 1 lakh minus 6, 94,000. If you want, we can show it in bracket or inner column, outer column. Like here you can write 1 lakh figure less decrease of building 6,000, afterward 94 outer column you can put, rather than like other assets remain unchanged. So as it is, plan value 2 lakh, stock 80,000, data 60,000, bank balance at 10,000, total value of asset side it will come also 6,04,000. So this is the full problem which came in the year 2016, and like that type of problem also came subsequent year like 2017, 2019 and 2020. The next subsequent video will consider that board paper, remaining board paper. Now in this video this much, and this is also provided in Google Classroom as a study material, so please look after that. With the help of this video, the students are requested to try by themselves this type of problem because important type of problem. Okay, I'm going to conclude this session. Thank you and study well.